All right, Ian, let's put the rubber to the road now and tell our viewers specifically some of the investments that you're making now in your portfolio.
Yeah, one of my top ideas is the Hussman Strategic Growth Fund. The ticker symbol is HSGFX. This is a long-short mutual fund. Takes long positions in stocks and sells puts on the market. Performs particularly well in down markets, which is exactly what we've been experiencing recently. Back in 2001 and 2002, when the market was in the tank, the fund was up 14% in each of those years. It invested like a mini hedge fund, and I think this provides a lot of opportunities for investors to capture gains in down markets. Average gain since 2000 was 8.9%, even in a down market like this. Again, the fund manager is risk averse, and year to date, the fund is actually up 2%. Compare this with the market, which is down about 20%. This looks pretty good.
Yeah, that definitely sounds good. I can see where investors might want to have that sort of protection in the market these days. Anything else that you've got going on for the current market?
Yeah, one of my other ideas is sort of a fixed income idea, and this isn't an original idea. It's PIMCO Total Return Fund. The ticker symbol is PTTDX. You may be familiar with Bill Gross, who's the fund manager. This guy is the king of bonds. He's like the Warren Buffett for the bond market. And in difficult times like this, look, we want to be in quality. Bill Gross is the best, and we're investing with him. His fund is up 4.3% in 2008, a year when everybody else got crushed. Most bond funds, even some of the best managed by really great guys, were down 15 or 20%. Bill Gross knows how to handle the bond market, knows how to invest with confidence, and knows how to make money in down markets. And his fund has done that year after year. So we're buying a best of breed fund. I could have come up with a more original idea, something that maybe you hadn't heard of, but the returns just weren't going to be there. And that's the most important, is finding returns, even if that means buying well-known funds that everybody has heard about. But Bill Gross is the best, and this fund is great. It's buying mortgage-backed securities. They're guaranteed by the federal government, as well as some corporate high-quality debt. I think this is a great place to be invested, where we can generate returns of 6 or 7%, even in a down market or a flat market.
Great, Ian. Now, how about the aggressive side? Anything aggressive you're looking at these days?
Yeah, one investment that I really like is Chesapeake Energy. And this is a unique opportunity. I bought the stock and I'm selling the covered call. I bought 100 shares of the stock, sold the covered call. This is the number one natural gas company in the United States. Energy independence is a key theme for the Obama administration. Chesapeake is the number one. The company's likely going to be a buyout target for one of the big players like an ExxonMobil or BP in the coming years. The stock is in the tank, trading around 15 bucks. The company does have a lot of debt, and that's a concern for investors, and that's really why the stock has been sold off. But I think it's oversold here. I think the stock's going higher. With the covered call that we just wrote, we're looking at upside potential of 20% in the next 4 months by July. We sold the July 15th covered call, and we have downside protection of 19%. So this is a great way to make some money in this market, and investors should look at this as a special opportunity for a more aggressive style investment, which is exactly what I'm doing in the recovery portfolio, taking some aggressive stances while at the same time being generally pretty conservative.
Right. So you bought the stock and then you sell a covered call on it. That means you get money deposited directly into your account when you choose to do that, right?
Right. I mean, we are earning money on this position already on day one just by selling the covered call. So this is a great way to make income today. Again, without a lot of risk. Like I said, we're limiting the downside risk by 19% from the proceeds of writing that covered call. So I think this is a great trade for individual investors who are looking to be aggressive and make some money in the market today, which is really difficult when the market's tanking.
Right, very nice. And so when you sell a covered call too, you can do this again and again, right? Once your call expires or you choose to buy it back, you can continue to generate money just by selling a call on stock that you already own.
Right, and that's the whole idea with covered calls, is to buy a stock that we like. It doesn't make sense to buy a stock that we don't like just for the reason of writing a covered call. But if we like the stock fundamentally, which we do with Chesapeake, we think this is a best of breed company in the natural gas space. Natural gas is clean, it's domestic. Energy independence, natural gas should be going higher, well, just like oil, as we talked about earlier today. And Chesapeake is a great investment. So by doing this, we're able to both own the stock and earn income. It's a great opportunity for individuals.
Yeah, that's a great idea. I love it.
Thanks.
I'd like to thank everyone for joining us for Ian Wyatt's $100,000 Recovery Portfolio Investment Seminar tonight. It's been great sharing some of our top investment ideas with you, and I hope you'll be able to find some profits from our ideas as well.
I really encourage you to try my Recovery Portfolio service. Remember, I'm offering you a discounted membership as a charter member to this new service. You can sign up today for only $495 a year, a discount of over 50% from the normal subscription price of $995 a year. I'm also offering you a double money back guarantee. If at any time in the first 30 days you cancel, I'll provide you with a 100% refund, no questions asked. If at any time in the future you're unsatisfied with the service for any reason, cancel and I'll provide you with a prorated refund. Remember, this service is limited to the first 1,000 new charter members. If you're interested in the service, which I hope you are, please visit us online to start your trial today. Our website is www.recoveryportfoliotrial.com. I look forward to welcoming you to the service and working together to recover from the losses of 2008 and position our investment portfolios for profits in 2009 and beyond. I want to thank you for joining us for tonight's investing seminar from Recovery Portfolio. Thanks so much. Have a great evening.